Welcome to you all in this session of a 1 week lecture series on the occasion of World Fungus Day. My topic of presentation is diversity of mushroom. Mushroom belongs to the group of organisms known as macrofungi under the phylum Ascomycotina and Basidiomycotina. Mushroom is fleshy and a spore-bearing organ of the fungi that called as fruiting body. Mushrooms are a seasonal fungi which occupy diverse niches in forest territory ecosystem. They mostly occur during the rainy season, particularly in forest where the dense canopy shade from trees provide a moist atmosphere and decomposing organic material such as leaf litter and favors the germination and growth of mushrooms. There are 38,000 different varieties of mushrooms, in which 300 mushroom species are edible, but only 30 have been domesticated and 10 grown commercially. Annually, 61.60 lakh of mushroom is cultivated throughout the world. Mushroom farming first started in America in 1896. Some mushrooms are poisonous and some are edible. The common cultivated mushrooms are white button mushrooms, enoki, shiitake, and oyster. Mushrooms have been widely used since ancient times, not only as foods or food flavoring materials, but also for medicinal or functional purposes. Edible mushrooms are highly nutritious and can be compared with egg, milk, and meat. It contains high quality of proteins, has a high fiber value, vitamins and minerals, which is easily digested, and it has no cholesterol content. They have an ability to maintain the blood cholesterol at optimal level. They have been used in folk medicine throughout the world since ancient time. Some mushrooms are poisonous and some are edible. Poisonous mushrooms refers to harmful effect from ingestion of toxic substances present in mushroom. It is now known that of the approximately 1400 different mushroom species worldwide, about 100 of them are poisonous to humans. Poisonous mushrooms such as Amanita species and other can cause acute fatal liver necrosis. Intoxication of Amanita phthalates, known as the death cap, is caused by a group of toxins termed cyclopeptides. This species is particularly toxic. A single gram of this mushroom is sufficient to kill a human being. That is called a phalodin. Toxin. It is a toxic heptapeptide found in Amanita species. Causes disruption of intracellular actin filaments, leading to the cell injury or death. Amatoxin is produced by Amanita phthalates, the so-called death cap mushroom. Amanita phthalates first appeared in British Columbia in 1997, and the first serious poisoning was reported in 2003. Some of the examples of poisonous mushrooms are Amanita phthalates, virusa. So these are the list of some poisonous mushroom. Edible mushrooms are the fleshy and edible fruit bodies of several species of microfungi. They are consumed for their nutritional value and for their culinary value. Around 2000 edible varieties of mushrooms are available in a worldwide distribution. So these are the some photos of edible mushrooms. Now the mushroom diversity. Indian mycologists have reported many species of family Agaricaceae, mostly represented by genus Agaricus, from different states of India. Biodiversity studies have been conducted in different parts of central India by several workers. One third of fungal diversity of globe exists in India. Out of 1.5 million of fungi, only 50% are characterized until now. Manoharachari et al. Reported different uses of medicinal mushroom. For example, Lentina species, Pleurotus species, Schizophyllum species, Xylithus, Xylithus species, Gonoderma lucidum, Agaricus bisporus, Agaricus campestris, Pleurotus species, and Termitomyces hemi. A large number of agarics, which include a species of Lepiota, Leucocoprinus, and Macrolepiota, were reported in a fungi of India. Senthilarasu and Kumarisan reported 132 species in a 60 genera belonging to Agaricales, Polypuralis, and Rusaliales. Xyleria species grown on variety of substrates, especially on decorticated wood, dung, and nest of termites ants. The widely distributed Ganoderma aplanatum or self fungus is unique woody polypораceae among all mushrooms as it is used for its pharmaceutical value rather than food. Karwa Rai reported a total of 153 species edible and medicinal mushrooms in the study conducted in Melghat forest, which is a tiger reserve situated in a Satpura mountain ranges in Maharashtra. Species dominating belong to genera Agaricus, Pleurotus, Termitomyces, Cantharilus, Ganoderma, Auricularia, Schizophyllum, Morchella, etc. Mushrooms of tropical region. In India, many random attempts on mushroom diversity documentation have been made by Natarajan and Manjula. Mushrooms have been extensively studied in the Western countries, while tropical countries such as India are less explored. In general, fungal diversity is greater in the tropics than that of the temperate region. Mushroom diversity studies have been carried out in some specific regions of India, including Sikkim, Jammu, Kashmir, Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve, Bangalore, Karnataka, Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Western Ghat Ranges and Western Ghats of Karnataka. Datta et al. Reported traditional and ethnomedicinal knowledge of a mushroom in West Bengal. Basumatari and Gogai reported uses of wild edible mushroom fungi by Bodo community of Kokrajhar district, Assam. Lakhanpal in 2014 recorded 11 species of edible mushroom from the upper hilly region of Shimla. Kumar and Manimohan recorded one new species of Leucocoprinus from the state of Kerala. This is the Macrolepiota procera. So the parasol mushroom, it is a parasol mushroom, is a Basidiomycetes fungus, which is a large, prominent fruiting body resembling a parasol. It is a fairly common species on well-drained soils. It is found solitary or in groups and fairly rings in pastures and occasionally in woodland. Podasix pistillaris is a very distinctive relative of puffballs. It grows to 15 centimeter high and has a hard woody stem. The large cap, which protects the blackish spore bearing tissue, splits, and usually falls away at maturity, allowing the spores to be dispersed by wind. Large numbers may appear after soaking rains. This one is the Leucoagaricus leucothites, white dapperling or white agaricus mushroom is a species of agaric fungus. The species was originally described as Agaricus leucothites by Carlo Vittadini in 1835 and bears a similarity to species of that genus. Solomon Wasser transferred it to Leucoagaricus in 1977. This is a Leucocoprinus bunbomi is a species of guild mushroom in the family Agaricaceae. It is common in the tropics and subtropics. However, in a temperate region, it frequently occurs in greenhouse and flower pots. Hence, it's a common name of flower pots parasol and plant pot dapperling. Another one is Auricularia auricula judy, known as it is known most commonly as wood ear or black wood ear, is a species of edible Auricularia fungus found worldwide. The fruiting body is distinguished by its noticeably ear-like shape and brown coloration. It grows upon wood, especially elder. Another one is the Boletus edulis, is a Basidiomycetes fungus and the type species of the genus Boletus, widely distributed in the northern hemisphere across Europe, Asia, and North America. It does not occur naturally in the southern hemisphere, although it has been introduced to southern Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and Brazil. Fibroporia is a genus of 10 species of poroid crust fungi in the family Fomitopsidaceae. The genus contains species similar to those in genus Androdia, but they are phylogenetically distinct. Then Ganoderma is a wood decay fungus causing a rot of hurtwood in a variety of trees. It can also grow as a pathogen of live sapwood, particularly on older trees that are sufficiently wet. It is a common cause of decay and death of beech and poplar, and less often of several other tree genera, including alder, apple, elm, buckeye, and horse chestnut, maple, oak, walnut, willow, western hemlock, Douglas fir, old or sick olive tree, and spruce. This is Termitomyces, is a genus of Basidiomycetes fungi belonging to the family Lycophyllaceae. There are 30 to 40 species in this genus, so all of which are completely dependent on termites to survive. Marasmium species is a species of agaric fungus in the family Marasmiaceae, described as new to science in 1976. It is found in the southeastern United States. The mushroom is frequently confused with Marasmium sissus. Marasmium siccus, and microscopy is needed to reliably distinguish between them. This one is the Turbitomyces simperi, is a large mushroom associated with the termite species Macrotermis michaelseni. It grows in the northern parts of southern Africa, from northern Namibia up to the Democratic Republic of the Congo and eastward of Malawi and Mozambique and to the Ihuri coast in the west. Marasmius, sorry, it's a genus of mushroom-forming fungi in the family Marasmiaceae. It contains about 500 species of agaricus, of which a few such as Marasmius orideus are edible. However, most members of the genus are small, uni, unimpressive brown mushroom. Their humble appearance contributes to their not being readily distinguishable to non-specialists, and they are therefore seldom collected by mushroom hunters. Several of the species are known to grow in the characteristic fairy ring pattern. Mycena species is a large genus of small saprotropic mushrooms that are rarely more than a few centimeters in width. They are characterized by a white spore print, a small conical or bell shaped cap, and a thin, fragile stem. Most are gray or brown, but a few species have brighter color. Most have a translucent and straight cap, which rarely has an incurved margin. The gills are attached and usually have cystidia. Some species, like Mycena hemotopus, exude a latex when the stem is broken, and many species have a chlorine like odor. Polyporous alveolaris, commonly known as a hexagonal pod polypore, is a species of fungus in the genus Polyporus. It causes a white rot of dead hardwood found on sticks and decaying logs. Its distinguished features are its yellowish to orange scaly cap and the hexagonal or diamond-shaped pores. Serioporus squamosus, that is a Polyporus squamosus, is a Basidiomycete bracket fungus with a common name including Dryad's saddle and Pheasant's back mushroom. Coprinellus micaceus is a common species of mushroom forming fungus in the family Satyrillaceae with a cosmopolitan distribution. The fruit bodies of the saprobe typically grow in clusters on or near rooting hardwood tree stumps or underground tree roots. Cystoagaricus is a genus of fungi in the family Satyrillaceae. The genus contains four species found in subtropical America. The genus was circumscribed by mycologist Rolf Singer in 1947 with Cystoagaricus strobylomyces as the type species. And Schizophyllum communi, Schizophyllum is a species of fungus in the genus Schizophyllum. The mushroom resembles undulating waves or tightly packed corals or loose Chinese fan, gillies or split gills vary from creamy yellow to pale yellow in color. The cap is small 1 to 4 centimeter wide with a dense yet spongy body texture. Then Trimella mesenterica is a common jelly fungus in the family Tremelaceae of the Agaricomycotina. It is most frequently found on dead but attached and on recently fallen branches, especially of angiosperms. As a parasite of wood decay fungi in the genus Peniophora. Lepista is a genus of mushroom forming fungi. According to the Dictionary of the Fungi, 10th edition 2008, the widespread genus contains about 50 species. In 1969, Howard Bigelow and Alex H. Smith made the group of subgenus of Clitocype. The inedible fungus that is called as Daldinia concentrica. So it is inedible fungus is known by several common names including king Alfred cake, cramp balls, and coal fungus. Another one is the Xylaria hypoxylan is a species of fungus in the family Xylariaceae. It is known by a variety of common names such as the candlesticks fungus, candle, candlesnut fungi, carbon and antlers, or the stags of the horn fungus. Thank you.